Have you ever been in a situation where you're constantly chasing a woman, texting first, try to impress her, always available, only to feel like you're being ignored or taken for granted? It's frustrating, right? You give your attention, your time, and even your emotions, hoping she'll see your worth. But instead, she pulls away. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to flip the script, so she's the one thinking about you constantly, texting you first, wondering why she can't stop thinking about you. A way to make her chase you without looking desperate, without changing who you are, and without playing fake games. That's exactly what we're diving into today. In this video, I'm going to reveal a simple yet powerful phrase that, when said correctly, triggers deep attraction in her mind. This one sentence has the ability to spark emotional curiosity, make you stand out from other guys, and get her emotionally hooked. She won't know why she's so drawn to you, but she'll feel it, and that's what really matters. This isn't about manipulation or cheesy pickup lines. It's about understanding female psychology and learning how to speak in a way that naturally attracts her. This phrase works not because of the words alone, but because of the emotion and energy it conveys. If you want to stop chasing and start attracting, if you want to be the man that women pursue, then stay with me. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We're building a community of high-value men who understand relationships on a deeper level. Now let's dive into the power behind saying less, but meaning more. Number 1, women don't chase words, they chase emotions. The first thing you have to understand is this. Women are not chasing your words. They're chasing how your words make them feel. This is where most guys completely miss the mark. They memorize pickup lines, send paragraph-long texts, and try to say all the right things, thinking they'll impress her. But what they don't realize is that attraction is not logical for most women. It's emotional. It's subconscious. She doesn't fall for what you say. She falls for how she feels when you're around. When a woman hears something that sparks curiosity or makes her feel a certain way, mystery, tension, excitement, that's when she becomes interested. Not when you give her all the compliments or talk about how amazing she is. In fact, being too available with praise and attention too early can backfire. It doesn't create desire, it kills it. Because there's no emotional tension, there's nothing for her to chase. Imagine this. You're watching a movie where you already know the ending. There's no excitement, no thrill. That's how many guys present themselves: predictable, easy to read, and emotionally flat. But the man who can say less and stir more emotion, he becomes unforgettable. He makes her wonder, what is it about this guy? That wonder turns into attraction, and that attraction turns into pursuit. So, if you want a woman to chase you, stop focusing on trying to impress her with words. Instead, focus on making her feel something: curiosity, uncertainty, excitement. That's what she chases. That's what keeps her coming back. And that's the real secret most men never learn. Number 2, the energy behind your words. You could have the perfect words to say, but if the energy behind them is weak, they won't work. This is a truth most men overlook. What you say only carries power when it's backed by the right energy. Let me explain. Imagine saying a confident phrase, but your shoulders are slouched, your voice is uncertain, and you're looking at the floor. Do you think that message will hit the same as when it's delivered with calm eye contact, a steady voice, and relaxed posture? Of course not. Women are incredibly in tune with energy. They can feel insecurity even if your words sound bold. They can sense desperation even if you're trying to act cool. That's why your presence matters more than your script. A grounded man doesn't need to chase approval. He speaks calmly. He knows who he is. That energy is what makes women feel safe and strangely excited at the same time. Because he's not reactive. He's not begging. He's in control of himself. And here's the magic. When a man is grounded in his own energy, his words land deeper. He could say something as simple as, "You're interesting," or "I'm still figuring you out," and it will have a much greater impact than a guy reciting poems and compliments nervously. Confidence isn't loud. It's calm. And when a woman senses that from you, it creates emotional tension. She wants to explore it. She wants more. So before you memorize what to say, ask yourself, what energy am I saying it with? Are you calm, confident, detached. That's the secret ingredient. Speak with presence, and every word you say will carry more weight, more attraction. That's how you trigger the chase without ever needing to ask for it. Number 3, the power phrase that triggers her curiosity. Here it is, the phrase you came for. The simple line that makes her curious, keeps her thinking about you, and often causes her chase without even realizing it. You're interesting, but I'm still figuring you out. At first glance, it might sound too simple, but don't underestimate its power. This phrase works like a charm because it delivers 3 powerful psychological triggers in one smooth sentence. First, it gives a subtle compliment. You're interesting. It strokes her ego just enough to pull her in. Second, it introduces uncertainty, but I'm still figuring you out. That makes her question what you really think of her. And third, it reverses the dynamic. Instead of you chasing her, it subtly tells her, you have to earn my approval. Women are used to guys falling head over heels the moment they get a little attention. But when you show genuine curiosity without instantly giving her your full approval, it messes with her expectations in the best way. She starts to wonder what you see, what you're thinking, if you're really into her or not. That curiosity is addictive, and that's when the chase begins. Use this line when she's opened up a little. Maybe she just shared something about her personality or beliefs. Drop the phrase calmly, maybe even with a small smile. Don't over-explain it. Let the words sit in silence. That silence is where the power lies. She'll start doing more, texting more, revealing more, all because you created a moment that made her feel something deeper than words. It's not about impressing her. It's about staying grounded and letting her uncover you. That's how the chase starts. Number 4, stop seeking her approval. One of the biggest mistakes men make when talking to women is unconsciously seeking approval. It's subtle, but women pick up on it instantly. It sounds like always trying to say the right thing, over-complimenting her, laughing too much at her jokes, asking, was that okay? Or did I say something wrong? All of these are little signals that say, I hope you like me, and that instantly puts you in a weaker position. But here's the truth. The man who doesn't seek her approval is the man who gets it. Why? Because it shows confidence. It shows that your self-worth is not based on her response. And that is incredibly attractive. When you act like she's just another person you're getting to know, not some prize to win, she starts to view you as the prize. Imagine this. You're on a date, and instead of constantly trying to make her laugh or impress her, you just enjoy the moment. You're honest. You say what you think. You don't try too hard. You're relaxed. That's when she leans in. That's when she starts chasing, wondering, why isn't he trying to win me over like other guys do? A powerful phrase to use here is, I'm not for everyone, and I'm okay with that. It tells her you're confident in who you are and not afraid of rejection. It puts you in control of the interaction. When you stop chasing validation, you automatically become more attractive. Remember, women aren't drawn to men who need them. They're drawn to men who are complete with or without them. So drop the need for approval. Let your presence speak. That's what she'll respect and eventually chase. Number 5, use silence as a weapon. Here's something most men don't realize. Silence is one of the most powerful tools of attraction. Why? Because most guys talk too much. They try to fill every second with conversation, jokes, compliments, stories, thinking that constant talking will impress her. But in reality, what it does is kill mystery. It gives away too much too soon. And when there's no mystery, there's nothing left for her to chase. Now imagine this. You say something powerful like, you're interesting, but I'm still figuring you out. And then you go silent. No follow-up. No nervous laugh. Just calm, confident silence. That pause creates tension. And that tension creates curiosity. She starts wondering what you're thinking. Why you're so calm. Why you don't feel the need to over-explain yourself. That's when she starts leaning in, both physically and emotionally. Silence is also a sign of confidence. Think about it. Who's more powerful in a conversation? The guy who's nervous and talking nonstop, or the one who's calm, relaxed, and chooses his words carefully? Women are drawn to that calm, centered energy because it's rare. Most men are reactive. But the man who uses silence shows he's in control not just of the conversation, but of himself. So the next time you're talking to a woman, don't rush to fill the silence. Embrace it. Use it to create space. Let your words breathe. And when you do speak, say something that makes her feel something. That's the secret. In a world full of noise, the man who knows when to stay silent becomes magnetic. Use silence wisely, and she won't just hear your words. She'll feel them. And that feeling, that's what she'll chase. Number 6, be unpredictable. Break the pattern. The final and perhaps most underrated point, be unpredictable. Most women are used to a certain pattern of behavior from men. They say the same compliments, send the same good morning texts, reply instantly, do everything by the book. And while it might seem polite or respectful, it becomes boring fast. There's no excitement, no surprise, no emotional roller coaster. And without that, attraction fades. Now, unpredictability doesn't mean being rude or hot and cold for no reason. It means breaking the pattern and giving her something she didn't expect, but in a good way. It means not texting her every day. It means canceling a date politely because you have your own life to live. It means sometimes responding immediately and other times taking your time because you're busy building your goals. That kind of behavior makes her wonder about you. Wondering leads to thinking, and thinking leads to chasing. You become the guy who's not easily figured out. The man who doesn't follow the same script every guy does. And that's powerful, because when she can't predict you, she pays more attention. She looks forward to your messages. She wonders what you'll say next. And in that emotional curiosity, you become the one she's chasing. A great way to keep things unpredictable is to occasionally drop a message like, "You're full of surprises. I like that." Then don't explain what you mean. Let her think. Let her feel that mystery. It flips the script. When you're slightly unpredictable, you stay exciting. And excitement is what makes women chase. So break the routine. Be mysterious. Be the one she can't quite figure out. That's the man who stays on her mind long after the conversation ends. Now you know the phrase. You understand the calm, confident energy behind it. And more importantly, you've learned how to use it in a way that feels natural, not forced. This is not about playing games or using tricks. It is about tapping into your natural masculine presence. The kind of presence that does not chase, does not beg, and never tries too hard. Instead, you lead with quiet strength. You speak less, but when you do, your words hit deep. Remember, women are not drawn to men who try to impress them. They're drawn to men who impress themselves. Men who are focused, grounded, and mysterious. So next time you're talking to her, stay calm. Be intentional with your words. Hold your frame. And when the moment is right, drop the phrase. Let land. Then go silent. Watch how her energy shifts. She will not even know why, but suddenly she is chasing you. If this resonated with you, type in the comments, "I lead with calm energy." Do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more powerful insights to help you naturally attract women without the games. Stay stoic, stay grounded, and let her come to you.